Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is October 27th, 2022. Today, adverbs. There are 10 questions. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. You don't drive quickly. You drive. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. What's the opposite of quickly? Slowly. You drive slowly and safely. Number 2. You have to unscramble the letters. This one means 2 times. For example, I went there 2 times yesterday. Twice. I went there 2 times yesterday equals I went there twice yesterday. You can speak Korean and Japanese. This word means perfectly, 100%. Fluently. Fluently. You can speak Korean and Japanese fluently. When you play golf, you have to hit the ball. This means where you are aiming. Similar to correctly, exactly. And both of the missing letters are the same letter. Accurately. You have to hit the ball accurately. We also use it like this, to measure something accurately. Diet and exercise are important. This means they are both important, 50% each. And the first missing letter is a Q. Equally. Diet and exercise are equally important. Bob was surprised when we told him the news. This means slightly, only a little. And the missing letter is near the middle of the alphabet. Mildly. Bob was mildly surprised when we told him the news. Mild, mild, mildly. Can you swim for 15 meters? This means not on top, not on the surface of the water. And it means you have to hold your breath. Underwater. Can you swim underwater for 15 meters? They will live in Singapore. This is similar to forever. Not temporarily. permanently. They'll live in Singapore permanently. The population is 1 million. Population is the amount of people that live somewhere. And this adverb means approximately. It means about. Can you pronounce it? It sounds like an F. Rough. Roughly. The population is roughly 1 million. How do you say this? Very nice. It's a miracle. Now, I want to know the adverb from miracle. Can you say it? Miraculously. Miraculously, I got 10 out of 10. No, it's not a miracle. It's because you study hard. Game over. Did you have fun? Fantastic. What country are you in now? Do you like to walk slowly or quickly? Which languages can you speak fluently? Can you speak English fluently now? Did you swim underwater before? Whoa, very nice. You're doing well. I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.